सो आज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन क्लास 4 का EVS करेंगे चैप्टर 13। ठीक है, चैप्टर का नाम है ए रिवर टेल। सो पेज नंबर 106, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, look carefully at the picture of the river, read the words given below. Boat flowing, water, blue, fish, water plants, river, fall, smell, big ship, oil, river banks, factories, washing clothes, animals, other work, change city. So use these words to make a story. Give a little to your story also. So स्टोरी का नाम मैंने दिया है ए रिवर्स एगोनी। तो यहाँ पर लिखी हूँ स्टोरी। फ्लोइंग वाटर इन द रिवर ब्रिंग्स द मेमोरी ऑफ ओल्ड टाइम्स इन द माइंड ऑफ द रिवर. Gone are the days when she used to be happy, dancing and flowing all the way to the sea. She was greeted by lush green crop fields in the river bank. आप चाहे तो अपने कॉपी में लिख सकते हो पॉज करके वीडियो को. White fishes playing in the blue water was a real treat to eyes. People used boats to cross rest. The waste chemicals having foul smell are thrown into river water. So big ships which burn and spill oil run on rivers. These kill the water plants. Washing clothes, bathing animals and other works add salt to the injury. All wastes from the city are dumped into the river. All these changes made the river on. The golden memories of old days bring tears to the river. Then next पेज नंबर 107 में दिया गया है हमें करने के लिए. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स अगेन एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. So question number 1, what is the color of the river where it begins? It is colorless. Next question, at some places there are many fishes in the river, at others there are only a few, and at some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? Discuss. Answer, the fishes need fresh water. People throw their useless materials into the water, so the water at that place becomes unfit for fishes. Then next question, question number 3, what can be seen in the river before it reaches the village? So answer, large number of fishes can be seen because the water is pure and fresh. वाटर प्योर होता है और फ्रेश होता है, इसीलिए बहुत ह्यूज नंबर, बहुत ज़्यादा हमें मछलियाँ दिखती है जब आने में. लेकिन जब हम उसमें सब वेस्टेज थिंग्स डाल देते हैं, वेस्टेज मटेरियल डाल देते हैं, तो वाटर डर्टी हो जाता है. सो इम्प्योर हो जाता है और उसमें मछलियाँ ज़्यादा नहीं रह पाते. Then next question number 4, at which places did the color of the water in the river change? Why did this happen? Discuss. So the color of the river changes when there are factories nearby. बेसिकली फैक्ट्रीज अगर आसपास में हो उसके वजह से उसका कलर चेंज होता है, क्योंकि उसका जो वेस्टेज मटेरियल है आके रिवर में ही हम लोग वहाँ पर ही डालते हैं सब लेके. So and this is because factory water are dumped into rivers. Then question number 5, which of the places shown in the picture would you like to live in or why? So answer is, I would like to live in the place shown in the lower figure. It is more clean. Then next question, would you like to change any of the things that you see in the picture? Why and how? So answer is, I would like to remove the waste material from the bank of the river. This is because these wastes will contaminate the water. Then question number 7, have you seen people throwing different things into rivers or water bodies? Yes, I have seen many people throwing harmful chemicals, coins, domestic waste, etc. into rivers and other water bodies also. Then question number 8, what could be done to keep rivers clean? Discuss. People living near the river banks should not bathe their animals and wash their clothes in the river. The industrial waste and sewage should not be discarded into the river. In addition, treatment plants should be set up to remove chemicals and other waste before letting it into the river. So next, page number 108, question number 1, यहाँ पर हमें दिया गया है क्या करने के लिए, चलो देखते हैं। इफ़ यू वांटेड टू ड्रिंक सम वाटर फ्रॉम व्हिच पार्ट ऑफ द रिवर वुड यू लाइक टू ड्रिंक और व्हाई? I would like to drink water from a little deep below the surface. There is less dirty. There is less dirty. Then question number 2. In the last part of the picture, the river flows into the sea. Have you ever seen the sea or where? In a movie or somewhere else? Yes, answer is yes, I have seen the sea. I have seen it in movies also. Once I saw the sea when I went to Puri. Next question number 3. Have you ever been near a river or sea? When? I was near the river Ganges with my parents when I was in the 3rd standard. Next question number 4. Show with your hands how the waves in the sea move. The sea waves move up and down. Next question number 5. Is the water from the sea drinkable or why? So answer, we can't drink seawater because it is very salty. Next question, do you think that there would be some changes taking place in a river, pond or stream at different times of the year? What kind of changes would this be? Discuss. So answer is yes, during the rainy season there is maximum water. During winters there is very little water. Pond, stream, etc. may even get dry. Then page number 109. Question number 1. Will there be the same amount of water in the ponds or rivers during the rainy season and in summer? No, there is more water in the rainy season. Next question. Number 2. Is there a pond, river or lake near your town or city? Find out. Are there any changes in the water during summers, the rainy season and in winters? So during the rainy season, there is more water. The water becomes more muddy in water and starting of summer, there is very little water in ponds. Some may even dry up. Then second eye, what are the different kinds of water animals found there? So the different kinds of water animals like fishes which are found there are katla, rohu, etc. of various sizes. Next, what kind of trees and plants grow around it? Thick trees, grasses, bushy plants, etc. Next question, what are the kinds of birds that come there? Many kinds of birds like swan, crow, many carnivorous birds like eagle, etc. Then question next, have you ever seen or read about floods and where? I have heard about floods in Mumbai and Assam. I have seen it on TV news also. Next question, what happens when there is a flood? So there is excess water everywhere. Water enters even in houses. People suffer a lot. Next question, have you seen dirty water in a river or pond? Where? Yes, I have seen dirty water in a river and in ponds in my native area. Next question, how would you know if the water is dirty? If the water looks clean, can you be sure that it is alright to drink that water? Discuss. Pure water is clean and clear. Dirty water is not so. Even if the water looks clean, it may not be alright to drink that water. It may contain germs that cause diseases. Next, how does water become dirty? Page number 110. So question number 1. From where do you get your drinking water? A river or a lake? Do you think that like the river in the picture, your river or lake can also be affected? From a river. पहला क्वेश्चन का आंसर है फ्रॉम ए रिवर, जो कि फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू गेट योर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, ए रिवर और ए लेक? फ्रॉम ए रिवर. Then next, do you think that like the river in the picture, your river or lake can also be affected? Yes, the same thing may happen to our river also. Then page 111. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पुट टिक मार्क, यानी कि टिक मार्क यानी कि ऐसे पुट टिक मार्क इन द राइट प्लेसेस। किस प्लेस में टिक, कौन सी प्लेस किस थिंग्स के लिए सही है उसमें हम टिक लगाएंगे, ठीक है, जो कि मैंने ऑलरेडी लगा चुकी हूँ। आप देख के अपनी बुक कंप्लीट कर लीजिए। Then next question. Now on the basis of your observations tell, first, do all things dissolve in water? No, all things do not dissolve in water. Next question. Does the color of the water always change? No, the color of the water does not always change. Next. Did oil dissolve in water? How can you say whether it has dissolved or not? Answer. No, oil does not dissolve in water. Things which are insoluble in water either come up or settle down. For example, oil floats on water. Then next question. Imagine how it would be if things like sugar, salt, lemon juice, sorbet, etc. यानी कि शरबत etc. could not dissolve in water. So answer, we would not be able to have drinks, tea, cook food and much more. Next, imagine how it would be if things like stones, chalk, plastic and garbage would dissolve in water. Answer, everything would be dissolved in rainwater. There would be nothing remaining in this world. They would make the water dirty. Next, number 3 question. How is drinking water made clean in your house? In our house, first of all, alum is added to water. The mud settles down. The water from the above is then poured into the filter. Chlorine tablet is also added to this water. Next, question number 4. Find out the many different ways by of cleaning water at home. Answer, adding alum, filtering, adding chlorine, etc. Then question number 5. Draw a picture showing any 2 ways. ये है पिक्चर, देख लो और अपने अपने कॉपी में कर लो. From boiling, then to chemical, to multi stages filtration. ठीक है, अपने अपने बुक में कर लेना. यहीं पर ख़त्म होते हैं इस चैप्टर की और क्वेश्चन आंसर. अच्छा लगे तो कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा और सब नए हो तो चैनल में सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना.